001 finish line to be dead 7. That's a 14 pack. I mean, I am 007, go 007. Rough Racing as a 004 is going to be 12 over the dial. I mean, 16 pack in any way.
And when you can race like this against the other car and don't have to worry about the racetrack, they can put it all on the line.
Absolutely. These guys had this thing on hook early in the morning for the last round, and then the first lap down the track was 158 mile an hour. When I tell you the very first car that went down this track, I watched them go down it at 158 mile an hour. Hasn't changed one bit.
Alan Glatt from Westminster, Maryland, taking on Donald Freet from Champaign, North Tennessee.
We are in round number 1. We got a motorcycle duking it out with our dragsters here, because that's how Kyle and Wesley want to get these bikes an opportunity to mix it up for big money racing here at the inaugural World Series of Bracket Racing. Dragsters. Wow, look at that. Did you see that? That bike is running 117 mile an hour. Got a dragster coming on him at 150. Yeah, you heard me, 150 mile an hour coming on you. He's looking over his left shoulder, and guess what he takes to the top end? He takes 004 on that bike, but starting lag advantage is the left lane. Alan Glatt for the win. That was fun to watch.
Yes, it was. That white helmet, you could see it very well. Looking left under where that dragster was. He didn't have to look very far.
37 mile an hour split, and he's taking 004. Wow.